Good evening, one and all. How are you all? Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel, Omisha Nai. So, students, in last lecture we have learned about adjectives, parts of speech topic adjective. So, in adjective we have seen what is adjective, what question does adjective asked, then proper adjective and demonstrative adjective. So, in today's lecture, we are going to learn a new topic of parts of speech, that is adverbs. So, let us see first what is the adverb. What is adverb? In the parts of speech, adverb plays an important role. Let us see what is its role. So, what is adverb? Adverb basically, most adverb tells you how, where, or when something is done. In other words, they describes the manner, place, or time of an action. What are adverbs? Adverbs describes the manner, place, or time of an action. Commonly, adverbs are formed from adjectives. Some are below. Let us see how adverbs are formed from adjective. First, we will read adjective word, then we will see how adverb is formed from that word. First word is kind. Adverb for the word kind is kindly. Second word is happy. Adverb for the word happy is happily. Third word is wonderful. Adverb for the word wonderful is wonderfully. Fourth word is loud. Adverb for the word loud is loudly. Next is sad. Adverb for the word sad is sadly. Next is beautiful. Adverb for the word beautiful is beautifully. Next is sweet. Adverb for the word sweet is sweetly. Many adverbs ends with ly. You make these adverbs by adding ly to the adjective. Adding ly to the adjective makes the word as a adverb. So now let us see what is the note. What note says? Note says that some words that ends in ly are not adverbs. Some adjectives ends in ly too. For example, Sam was feeling very lonely. Second is, she was wearing a lovely dress. Third sentence is, it was a very lively party. What's the party? Lively party. So, have you all understood what is adverb? Is concept clear or should I repeat again? Okay, so now let us move ahead. Let us see kinds of adverbs. There are total 7 kinds of adverbs. Now let us see one by one. First kind of adverb is manner. What manner says? It describes in which manner of an action is done. Let us see more information about manner in next. First, let me tell you short definition of it. Second kinds of adverb is place. What place says? It describes where an action is done. Third is time. What time says? It describes when an action is done. Fourth is frequency. What frequency says? It shows how many times an action is done. Fifth is purpose and reason. What it says? It describes the purpose or reason of the action. Sixth, quantity degree. What it says? It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. What it shows, how much or in what degree or what extent. Then is affirmation and negation, which says yes if it is yes. Now let us see one by one kinds of adverbs with example. First is adverb of manner. Some adverbs and adverb phrases describes the way people do things. For example, first is the girls answer all the questions correctly. So the word correctly shows the manner. Second is he was driving carelessly. So the word carelessly shows the manner. So it is the adverb. Third is the plane landed safely. So the word safely shows the manner of a adverb. Fourth is Ramu plays the guitar skillfully. So what is the adverb? Skillfully. Second kind of adverb is adverb of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answers the question where. They are called adverb of place, such as example, the boys are playing upstairs. So upstairs, this is a place, adverb of place. Second example is dog is in the garden. In the garden. We are going to New York City on a school trip to New York City. Fourth is it was very sunny but cold outside. It was very sunny but cold were outside. Third kind of adverb is adverb of time. What adverb of times is? Some adverb and adverb some adverbs and adverb phrases answers the question when. They are called adverb of time. Example, the train was already left. Already. We moved into a new house last week. When? Last week. Our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. When? 6 o'clock. I am going to my new school tomorrow. When? Tomorrow. Let us see fourth kinds of adverb. Adverb of frequency. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answers the question how often an action is done. They are called adverb of frequency. Example, the children always go to school on the bus. Always. Second is, I will never make that mistake again. Never. Third is, I clean my bedroom every day. Every day. Next kind of adverb is adverb of reason. The adverb which tells about reason is called adverb of reason or purpose. Example is he is hence unable to refute the charge. Hence, he therefore left school. Therefore, is that reason. Next kind of adverb is adverb of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. So example for it is he was too careless to the sea was very stormy. Stormy. I am rather busy. Rather. I am fully prepared. Fully. Next is adverb of affirmation and negation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. Example are I don't know. Second, surely you are mistaken. Third is he certainly went. How he went? Certainly. Example of adverbs are as follows. First, she sings sweetly. So what is the adverb? Sweetly. He speaks quick clearly. Quite clearly, sorry. Third was he shouted loudly. Loudly. She smiled cheerfully. Cheerfully. The traffic was moving slowly. Slowly. She writes neatly. Neatly is a adverb. So now let us recapitulate what we have learned today. Recapitulation. Let us see once again what we have learned today. So we have learned what is adverb, kinds of adverb with their examples. Have you all understood? Okay. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification first. Thank you.